As soon as you have watched this video, you will be able to take full advantage of the course to see how quickly and effectively you can master the Norwegian language by actively participating in the lessons. You will be able to benefit from all the functions and educational aids that we designed in order to boost your learning and develop your language skills. So, how does it all work? Well, let's first go to the How It Works page, which is where you should begin. In order to sign up for a free trial, you just need to click on the Free Trial button. You will find it at the top of the page. Here, you enter your username and your email address. Then, you enter your password and repeat it. Once you have finished, you'll be sent a link to the email address you have provided. You need to click on the link to confirm you want to begin the 6-day trial. It takes only a few minutes to send you our message, so if you can't see it in your inbox after that time, we recommend that you check your spam folder too. When you have logged in using your username and password, you will be redirected to the first page of the course, where you can start doing the interactive lessons. Take a close look at the page and try out all the functions. The Lingua Sunrise course is designed for students who are just beginning their adventure with Norwegian. At present, there are no online courses like it. None of those that are available can offer you so many features and tools as the Lingua Sunrise course. They are all here, just one click away, waiting for you to discover them. We wish you good luck and hope you join us.